Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study lab number 8. The title of this lab is to show the response of a binary comparator using hardware and software tools and to reproduce the comparator using dedicated IC. Let's first discuss the objectives of this lab. There are two objectives of this lab. First, to compare the two input signals using logic gates. Second, to analyze the working of 4-bit magnitude comparator using 7485 IC. What is a magnitude comparator? Magnitude comparator is a logical circuit which compares two signals A and B and generates three logical outputs. The output can be either A greater than B, A equal to B, or A less than B. For detailed study, you can go through the theory lectures. Let's first discuss the 1-bit magnitude comparator. This is the truth table of the 1-bit magnitude comparator. We have two 1-bit inputs which are A and B. Now let's compare these inputs. So if we compare 0 with 0, these are equal numbers, so A equal to B is a true condition while remaining two are false. So next, if we compare 0 with 1, so B is greater and A is smaller, so we can say A is less than B. This condition is true. Moving on to the next input, which is A equal to 1 and B equal to 0. Here A is greater than B, so this condition is true while remaining two are false. When we compare 1 with 1, here both numbers are equal, so A is equal to B. We can derive these equations using the truth table, and from the truth table we can implement this circuit. In a 2-bit magnitude comparator, each input is of 2-bit each. If you see here in this table, again we have two inputs which are A and B. Each input is of 2-bit. So if we compare 0 with 0, you can see here at the first line, here A equal to B, so this condition is true while remaining two are false. Next we are comparing 0 with 1, here A equal to 0 and B equal to 1, so A is less than B, this condition is true. Further, 0 which is A and B equal to 2, here again A is less than B, so this condition true. Again A equal to 0 and B equal to 3, so again A is less than B. If we move further, we are taking A equal to 1 and B equal to 0. Here A is greater than B, so this condition is true. Further, again A equal to 1 and B equal to 1, so A equal to B, this condition is true, and this table continues so on. If you see here that the last input, here A equal to 3 and B equal to 3, so A equal to B, this condition is true while remaining two are false. You can use K-map to derive this equation. So from the K-map and after simplification, we get these equation of A greater than B, A equal to B and A less than B. This is the circuit of a 2-bit magnitude comparator. This circuit is developed using these equations. So you can use these equations to implement this circuit on the Proteus. In the first part of this lab, you have studied 1-bit magnitude comparator and 2-bit magnitude comparator using the basic gates only. In the next part of this lab, you have to implement a 4-bit magnitude comparator using a dedicated IC. Here we are using IC 7485, which is a 4-bit magnitude comparator IC. This is a 4-pin IC. Here pin 15, 13, 12 and 10 are the pins of first input, whereas pin number 1, 14, 11 and 9 are the pins of the second input. Both the inputs are of 4 bits. Here pin number 16 and 8 are being used for the VCC and ground, while pin number 5, 6 and 7 are used for the output for getting the result of either A greater than B, A equal to B or A less than B. Here there are 3 more pins which are 2, 3 and 4. Basically, these pins are used for cascading the inputs. If you want to use multiple ICs, you can use these pins for cascading the inputs. Currently, we are using only one IC, so there is no need of this pin. So we are grounding pin number 2 and 4 and applying the VCC to the pin number 3. So in this way you can implement a 4-bit magnitude comparator, implement this circuit on the Proteus and verify your results. For the post-lab task, you have to design a 4-bit magnitude comparator using the basic gates only. This is all for the lab. Thank you.